Hi there. Today we're gonna explain how this thermometer functions. It's a minimum and maximum thermometer, which means it will save the maximum temperature of the day and the minimum temperature of the day. You can leave it even for a week or a month and it will save the minimum and maximum temperature. Obviously the temperature in the middle is the actual temperature, and we can also change it from degrees to Fahrenheit with a simple push of a button. This is great for anybody who keeps animals or those who have a greenhouse and would like to know the temperature, how much it's going low at night and how much it's getting high during the day. We also have a clear button. We just press this to clear the minimum and maximum ones. So we just push it and they will be both 18. And next time they will start. Tomorrow we'll have a new minimum and a new maximum. Okay, hope you like this video. Please press subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.